Unity. It's like a warm glow within your heart.
The light in the darkness.
The river that joins with the sea.
The comforting words of, "It's so good to see you."
And the friends that check up on you when you're sad, just to make you happy.
Unity is the ability to speak your mind.
Standing side by side with those who passionately fight for a cause.
The echoing sound of young voices shouting for peace.
Living the reality of freedom with the company of trustworthy people.
It's the language of equality, dignity and justice.
Unity is a feeling of happiness and endless joy.
Hugging your relatives that you haven't seen in ages.
The family sitting around the table for tea.
The sight of everyone you care about all in one room.
The enjoyable times we spend with the ones we love.
And the taste of a warm cup of tea with malted milk biscuits.
Unity looks like that crisp autumn day when the leaves turn brown in unison.
And when the flowers bloom in spring.
It's the quiet walks we take just to reconnect with nature.
Unity is a priceless love you receive when you give your friend a gift. The hand that grasps yours to pull you up from the bottom.
The stranger that stops to help another. The gentle touch of someone you love.
Unity feels like the whole world being taken off your shoulders.
The warm duvet that transforms your wintry skin. Your head resting upon your pillow.
Your cat snuggling up to your tired body, and the voice of a loved one calling you by your name.
Unity is brave, bold and beautiful.
Unity is strength.
Unity is my community.